Say goodbye to tired eyes and hello to a brighter, more refreshed looking eyes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Debbie here, and today I'm super excited to share with you one of my absolute favorite beauty item essentials, and it's eye masks. As a 47-year-old mom of three, content creator, and woman in perimenopause, I'm always on the lookout for secrets to enhancing my natural beauty and discovering tips and tricks to improve my skin health and appearance. That's why I couldn't wait to try out these eye masks right here. Let's talk about why I decided to give these eye masks a try. Balancing the demands of motherhood and content creation and navigating perimenopause can take a toll on my skin, and especially around the eye area. That's when I discovered these little miracle workers from VIIcode, packed with powerful ingredients like Swisha, known for increasing skin's anti-aging capabilities, plant firm, which extracts improves the oxygen absorption of the skin and revitalizes skin cells, and Saragum, seaweed, which helps skin recover from sun damage, and marigold, which has anti-inflammatory properties. VIIcode Oxygen Eye Masks are specifically designed to target those common eye areas we often struggle with. Now let's get into the fun part, unboxing. I was really impressed with the packaging. It has 6 packets inside. Each pair is individually wrapped, making them perfect for travel. And if you want to share, you can give a friend a package so they can give it a try too. Now it's time to put these babies to the test. I loved how cooling and soothing they felt as they touched my skin. And they stay put on my face without sliding because they adhere perfectly to my eyes, and that allows me to multitask and do other things that I want to around the house, such as catching up on emails, enjoying a cup of tea, and just having that one-on-one time for that spa-like experience right at home. For best results, you want to use these eye masks for 8 hours while going to sleep to really target those dark circles. And if you want a quick pick-me-up, just wear them for 2 to 4 hours during the day or just before bedtime. It's recommended to use 3 treatments a week or whenever you need a quick pick-me-up. Make sure that your skin is clear, clean, free of any creams and serums so that your eye mask can stick to the skin. After incorporating VIIcode's eye mask into my skincare routine for a few weeks, I've noticed a significant difference. My under eye area looks brighter. Those dark pesky circles have visibly diminished, and the fine lines right here, let's just say that they are not as noticeable, which I love. Plus the hydration boost that these eye masks give me is unmatched. So no more dry, tired eyes. I know what you guys are thinking. Do they really work? Well, it's going to be different for everyone. Results will vary depending on your skin type and concerns. I've seen positive results myself, and many others too. Just read their amazing Amazon reviews. Plus these eye masks are gentle enough for sensitive skin thanks to the plant-powered ingredients. So you can enjoy that rejuvenating experience without any irritation. If you're on the hunt for an eye mask that delivers real results, look no further than these amazing little wonders. VIIcode has become a staple of my skincare routine, and I can't recommend them enough. So what are you guys waiting for? Give these eye masks from VIIcode a try. It's great that they are available on Amazon and come with Prime shipping. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video. And if you found it helpful, I would love to hear about it. Please subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. And of course, you get to invest in yourself. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time.